It's the first thing in the morning. What does everybody want? Coffee. So let's get some coffee started. What time is it? It's time to eat. Come on. Welcome to the camp. This is Camp Cleaver. My name is Don Cleaver. You can call me Mr. Don. And today we're going to make some Cowboy coffee. So this is coffee without the filter and whatnot. So that you just pour the grounds in the coffee. So like what Kent Rollins said is what makes a good cup of coffee? Water, coffee, and heat. So we're going to get this started. So first thing we do is we heat our water until it's warm. And it's a little chilly here. We're camped out up here in the Rocky Mountains in Colorado, and it's about 10,000 feet in the morning, and it gets pretty chilly. Got the recipe out of Kent Rollins' cookbook. Kent Rollins, I found him on YouTube, and he's a cowboy cook. He cooks for a lot of ranching, chuck wagon style. And so I thought, watching what he does, I thought this would be perfect for what we do. We do a lot of community camping, I guess you might call it. So we all get together and we set up a kitchen right in the middle, and everybody comes together for our meals, and it works out really, really good. So, so we'll give this a try. All right, water's getting a little warm, so we're going to add in our coffee. All right, and we just let that come to a boil. And then let us see what it does. And just using regular Folgers Classic Roast. I say never watch a pot boil because it'll never boil. It's about true. Just about. Well, it takes a while for that amount of water to boil. Coffee.
Cowboy coffee.
Yep. Okay, now we're at a rolling boil.
Well,
All right, we're boiling. But don't let it boil over. That's the first thing it did. But it's rolling good now. Good. All right, now we got a rolling boil. We're going to let this boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. All righty, we've been boiling for about 2 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat off. We'll add a little cold water, and it should bring those grounds right to the ground.
that's true. Baby,
So pour a little colder. Make sure you pour some in the. And that should take those grounds right to the ground. All righty. Coffee is ready. All right, this is our Cowboy coffee. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. TV.
How you look at the TV?
All right. And be sure to check out our other videos. And as always, we'd like to give a salute to our veterans. I spent 20 years in the Marines, and I appreciate the compliments everybody gives. And we do our best to keep the old flag flying over our camp. All right, take it easy.